Hi, my name's Nick, and today I'd like to show you how simple it is to use our Big Blue Answer Book to answer any question you or a client might have about California tax. Let's check the Spidell message board and see if we could find a real question from a tax professional. We have a recent post about back taxes owed on an inactive LLC. Tony writes, I have a client who wants to close out an LLC, and I keep hearing about the Raylight case and how it may help you walk away from an LLC or corporation that has been out of business for years and owes back taxes. How does it work, and what do I do? That's a great question. First, I'll flip to the index. There, I'll find Raylight, and there's 3 index entries. First, Raylight case, and 2 subsections, application to general partnerships and application to LLCs. I'll note the paragraph number for the Raylight case index entry, 23-813. Flip to that section, and there it is, a subsection titled Holding the Shareholder Liable, Raylight Case. The FTB had to prove that all the following conditions were met before the shareholders could be held liable for the corporation's franchise tax. The corporation transferred property to the shareholders for less than full and adequate consideration. At the time of transfer and at the time shareholder liability was asserted, the corporation was liable for the tax. The transfer was made after liability for the tax was accrued, whether or not the tax was actually assessed at the time of the transfer. The corporation was insolvent at the time of the transfer, or the transfer left the corporation insolvent, and the FTB had exhausted all reasonable remedies against the corporation. Because all 5 of the conditions must be met in order to establish shareholder liability, shareholders only need to avoid one of the conditions to prevent liability. So that covers the whats and whys of the Raylight case, but how you go about using the Raylight case is covered in the following subsections: how to avoid liability and how to use Raylight. There are also a couple of in-depth examples and an outline of the chain of events that will occur to guide you along the process. It's that easy. From simple contact information to easy-to-understand explanations of important cases, the Big Blue Answer Book is your most reliable and essential California how-to tax guide. Make sure you have one of these at hand during tax season. Order one today.